Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to hop on here and do a quick video review here of my Nintendo Switch Pro controller. As you'll notice, first off, I want to apologize for the black on the black background. It's just kind of, this is where I film my stuff, and we happen to have a black object today. But what I have here is, again, it's a Nintendo Switch Pro controller that I've been using since, I want to say, 2016. It's well played, and this is, in my opinion, the perfect Switch controller design because it actually fits in an adult's hands. So if you are playing Switch, it is USB powered. Let me see if I can find the cord here. I'll finish up the video. I'll show you how that works. But it does come with a USB-C charging cord that does go into the USB port on the Switch dock, so that you can actually charge this up wirelessly. You've got your 4 indicator lights underneath here. But again, the reason why I like this is because this feels, I grew up playing PlayStation. This feels a lot like a PlayStation controller in my hand. Xbox, I mean, it does have the Xbox stick location, but it is something that I really enjoy in terms of just controller feel. The bumpers and the triggers, they're in the right locations. They feel well on my fingers. And again, I prefer playing on this controller than the regular Joy-Cons. Again, it might just be a muscle memory kind of feel thing. The buttons on the X, Y, A, B are a lot bigger. They're like normal size buttons as opposed to these little teeny buttons that the normal controllers have. And again, it just feels better. That's why I prefer this, and I think it is worth spending the money to get this controller over having the regular Joy-Cons. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.